What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to reset the SRS light on a 2002 EM2 Honda Civic Coupe. This is the the SRS wire. So what I'm going to have to do is short it. So, taking two pieces of wire. So then you're gonna have to let's see. Boom, I think I did it. Alright guys, I just want to show you what I did. So basically I stuck a wire in both ends of this little yellow tab. It's the SRS. So I touched these wires together and held it before I did turn the car on at all. So then I turned the car to power and I kept holding these. The SRS light was on, then it went off. As soon as it went off, you release these. Boom, the SR light went back on. Then you touch them again. The SRS light went off. Then as soon as I released it, the SRS light flashed 2 times and then it went out permanently. So I think we're good. Let me just plug this back in and give it one more start. And let's make sure we fixed it. But yeah, the SRS worked. Alright. Let's go, one more step.